Hi! We've worked hard to make it as easy as possible to record your sales, expenses and mileage with the Bean Counter. Here's how it works.
OK Google, ask the Bean Counter to record a sale of £29 for something great yesterday.
OK, I've saved this sale detail. Anything to amend?
If you want the bot to stop listening, just tap the multicoloured dots. You can press the microphone button when you're ready to talk again, or the keyboard if you'd rather not speak out loud. As you can see, it's easy to amend the details you've entered too, which can be handy if you're in a noisy place where you've been misheard.
OK, here is the amended sale detail I've saved.
There are suggestions displayed you can use too. You can tap them. Or you can speak them aloud. That's all.
Thanks, bye.
Let's try an expense.
OK Google, ask the Bean Counter to record an expense of £14.99 on printer ink.
OK, would you like to upload a receipt photo?
Yes.
OK, you can upload your receipt image in a moment, but first I've saved this expense detail. I guess the expense category from your description. Anything to amend?
As you can see, we guess expense categories whenever we can, but if we can't guess, we can choose from a list complete with helpful descriptions.
OK, choose a new expense category.
If you would like to upload a receipt, you can do that after you've saved the other details. It's up to you whether you would find that helpful, so long as you keep your receipts somewhere safe and you don't necessarily need to see them. You can tell us about the receipt up front to make things even quicker.
OK Google, ask the Bean Counter to record an expense of £12.49 for more printer ink with no receipt.
OK, I've saved this expense detail. I guess the expense category from your description. Anything to amend?
That's right.
Marvellous. That's £12.49 less to pay tax on. Anything else I can do for you?
That's all.
No worries, goodbye.
Mileage then. Automatic mileage tracker apps and gadgets are great if they work for you. With the Bean Counter though, you can simply tell us your journey details.
OK Google, ask the Bean Counter to record mileage to Manchester Airport.
OK, where from?
Manchester Piccadilly Station.
Right. For what purpose?
Client meeting.
OK, I've saved this mileage detail. I guessed you meant by car. I guessed where you meant by Manchester Piccadilly Station and Manchester Airport, so please do check the addresses are correct. Anything to amend?
As you can see, we make some guesses here. You can tap or speak to amend anything. You can even override the calculated distance, for example in case there was some kind of diversion. The distance is recalculated if you switch to a bicycle, because of the different routes available to a bicycle, of course. Did you realise you could claim mileage for bicycle journeys? 20 pence per mile. It all adds up. If you're curious, you can see how the distance was calculated. We'll ask if we aren't able to guess where somewhere might be, and you can save places you might want to use often. Well, it's as easy as that. You don't have to say everything at once when you start to record a transaction. You can say as much or as little as you like. If you like more back and forth conversation, just say, OK Google, talk to the Bean Counter, and choose to record a sale, record an expense, or record mileage from there. How you use it is up to you. see my transactions. We hope you'll find the Bean Counter super easy to use to record your transactions, and if you need anything specific from us, you can pass on a message, ask a question, or, of course, talk to a real person. And you can always ask for help. What should I be doing again?
I can record sales, expenses or mileage, or pass on a message or question.